What's up guys, Hunter here. Today we have another video and we are going to be opening up a huge opening. Just like I said in my vlog, we have the magic cards from Dakota, the big kid, and Hunter Green's brother, my Guardians Rising pack, and Hunter Green's Mewtwo EX box. And this should be an amazing opening, so let's get everything open. Not opening the actual packs, but we're going to open all the boxes and stuff up. So, start those in the garden.
What's up, guys? This is Hunter, and we're opening my
Mewtwo EX box.
Mewtwo EX box, and Hunter shout-out, check the channel out. Sun Moon Guardian Rising pack.
Okay, guys.
My brother's magic card.
Okay.
Two boosters.
Here's the promo.
That's mine. The Mewtwo EX.
Can I open it? Yeah. Okay, we have all the packs. Beautiful, beautiful packs. 2 Evolutions and 2 Fates Collide. They repackaged those. Here's a code. And of course, the Jumbo promo. Here. Hand me everything.
Here is the code. And that's a special card.
Okay.
That's all mine.
Except
that Sun Moon Guardian Rising.
Okay. And here's the magic box. There should be 2 packs in here somewhere. There they are.
3.
Oh, 2.
2.
And then this random thing. So here's, I guess, a magic card. That Hunter gets one, I get one. There's a magic card thing. And here's the 60 card deck. And getting material promo. Not promo, but you guys know what I mean. Trash. Trash, trash, trash. Trash, 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 trash. Trash.
Oh, not trash.
Here's it out of the encasing. That's a pretty cool thing.
Oh, yeah, it's a halo effect.
Here.
Not called a halo effect. It's a halo.
Okay, so we have all the packs. Let's get into them. So I'm going to be opening up all these, and Hunter Green will be opening up 1 magic pack, and I'll be opening up 1 magic pack. So that'll be fun. Oh, I see a good card. I see a break. I see a break, Hunter. You see it?
Mine, right?
Yeah. So I already see in Hunter Green's pack a break card. That's very good. So happy for him that he can get his collection started up so good that it's not actually me doing it, it's him. Onyx, Nidoran Male, Poliwag, Leaf Type Energy, Rattata, Nidorino Male, Energy, and a Nidoking break. Very good pull right there, and Eradicate regular rare. So not a very good. So that was a good pull. Now we're on to the Fates Collide.
Okay, let's see what she's gonna get.
Okay, open this thing up. Green code. The card trick. Okay, so we have a Deerling, Carbink, Fennekin, Solosis, Riolu, Bent Spoon, Zygarde, Chaos Tower Ancient Trait, Lucario, Reverse Holo Rare, that's a pretty good one, and a Mothium regular rare.
Did you put all mine in yours?
No, I haven't opened any of mine.
Where's mine?
Let's open up the next Fates Collide. No, my pack's right here. Oops, sorry guys. So let's move the evolutions.
You gotta tap on one more. Tap on it.
So there we go. Here's the code. Here's some trash. Let me do the card trick.
Oh, is that the same card?
Yeah. Have a Deerling, a Carbink, focus, a Fennekin, Solosis, Riolu, Kangaskhan. Good card. Cinchino. Team Rocket's Handiwork. Lugia rare. That's a good card. And a Zygarde, regular rare.
One more pack for 100 green. And we're gonna go to
Yep. And now we have the last Evolutions pack. Hopefully there's something good in there. Dang it, it's a green code.
Is that good?
There's the code. No, that means there's nothing in here good. Okay. So we have a Weedle, a Chop, Tangela, Vulpix, Fire-type Energy, Full Heal, Porygon, Pokédex, Vulpix, and a regular rare Dugtrio. So, all in all, 100 green had the Mewtwo EX and the Nidoran male, so that's not very bad. Now we're going to take an intermission before the Sun and Moon Guardians Rising and open the magic packs.
That's my giant.
Okay, here's one of the magic packs. I have no idea what's good in this, so I'm just going to trash.
Yeah, I'll tell you.
Trash. I know kind of how to tell. We'll just go through this really fast. Nimble, Black Carna, Fanbearer, Cancel, Thresher Lizard, Ente's Compassion, Dune Beetle, Trespasser's Curse, Final Reward, Evolving Wilds, Counter Strength, True Heart, Duelist, and Crop Crusher, Waver of Currents. Oh, there's a legendary. I know that's a legendary.
Yep.
Prepare, Forest, and Crop Skin Masker. Here are all your bulk cards.
Just sorcery with an instant. Oh, that's good.
Okay, so
So much good. My veggies are undead. Yeah,
okay, where's the next other magic pack?
Hard up in that one.
Where's the other one?
Where'd you put it? There it is.
Okay, so here's the next magic pack.
You also have to
And wait, there's a legendary on the top of this deck too. And it's reverse hollow. You can see it. So that's pretty good. These magic packs. Ooh, come on. So we have another Cancel. Wait for it to focus. There we go. Oh, now it's focused. Good. Cancel. Bloodloosen Center. Fanbearer. Tuckrop. Skullmonster. Cursed Minotaur. Shed Weakness. Evolving Wilds. Impeccable Timing. Hyena Pack. Happiness Mark. Nest of Crabs. Waver of Currents. Another legend card. Sandworm. Conjure. Another legend card. Comet. Mountain, and Beast. So, those were some good magic packs. I know what the legend is because they have the little oval on the bottom. Here, take this.
You should keep all your legends.
Now, for the thing we've all been waiting for, the Sun and Moon Guardians Rising. Oh, I already see a good card in it. Oh my gosh. There's the code. I can see it shining. I swear if it's a Alolan Vulpix, that's what it looks like. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alolan Ninetales is what I meant to say, but I already have it. Yeah, it's good. So we have a, come on, focus.
What's wrong?
Fletchling, Alolan Vulpix, Gothita, Chansey, Petil, All the Sun, Hakamoto, Blitzscore, Cottonee, and a Vikavolt GX. That's a good pull. So that'll wrap up this video. I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.